Bitcoin trade near $17,000. German regulator warned of malware can erase bank crypto accounts. Celsius owned the assets in earn accounts, not the users, judge rules. SBF's inner circle Nishad, Singh cooperating with US prosecutors. Binance holds 91.57 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, ranks SHIB the most watched crypto of 2022. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets were little changed Tuesday, along with stocks as concern over higher rates lingered among traders. Bitcoin traded around $17,000. Atlanta Federal Reserve President Raphael Bostic said that interest rates should rise above 5% and stay there for a long time. Meanwhile, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly said that the central bank should continue raising rates, albeit at a slower pace. Treasury yields rose slightly on Tuesday. In the crypto space, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, has added 91.57 trillion SHIB tokens across 4 wallets to its holdings. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us about how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today. Over to you, Vishakha.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was down 0.1% at 25,770 points. Meanwhile, Atlanta Federal Reserve President Raphael Bostic said that interest rates should rise above 5% and stay there for a long time. The global cryptocurrency market capitalization was trading lower around $853 billion, losing as much as 0.1% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume increased by 4% to $39 billion. In the crypto space, Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, has added 91.57 trillion SHIB tokens across 4 wallets to its holdings. Investors came into the new year worried that higher Fed rates could tip the economy into a recession. However, many appear to be mounting bets that inflation is starting to ease. In another interesting news, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly said that the central bank should continue raising rates, albeit at a slower pace. Treasury yields rose slightly on Tuesday. Furthermore, the US dollar index rose to 103.23 in the last 24 hours, causing the Bitcoin price to rally above $17,000. However, volatility can be expected this week due to a number of key events. Stock futures were little changed Tuesday as concern over higher rates lingered among traders. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average shed 60 points or 0.2%, while S&P 500 fell less than 0.1%. Nasdaq 100 futures hovered just above the flat line. Bitcoin was trading at $17,252, up by 0.1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 0.8%, trading at $1,328. BNB was down 1.4% to trade at $274. Next on the list, Solana Sol was down 2.4% and was trading at $16. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2% to trade at $0.84. Next on the list, Cardano's 88 token was down by 1.7% to trade at $0.31. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.6% at $0.076. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.34, down by 0.5%. Next on the list, Polkadot was down by 1.5% to trade at $4.9. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $12.5, higher 0.1%. And last on the list, Shiba Inu was trading up by 6%.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrencies traded higher on Monday along with stocks as investors, and now back to the headlines. The German finance regulator BaFin has warned consumers about Godfather, a malware capable of wiping out banking and cryptocurrency accounts by collecting user data. So far, German financial authorities have raised the alarm about the malware's increasing spread, which is also known for targeting 110 cryptocurrency exchange platforms and 94 cryptocurrency wallet apps. According to BaFin, the malware attacks users by displaying fake websites and generating login screens when victims attempt to access the websites of legitimate banking and cryptocurrency apps. The malware then steals the victim's login credentials. With this data, cybercriminals may be able to gain access to consumers' accounts and wallets, according to Google's translation of the finance regulator's statement released on January 9th. A federal judge in the United States ruled that Celsius Network, not the users, owned all digital assets deposited in its earn accounts. Since the failed lender filed for bankruptcy in mid-last year, ownership of the assets on earn accounts has been disputed. Celsius has maintained that the assets are owned by it under the terms of its license. Users have challenged the claims, claiming that the terms of service were vague and the statements from the lender's leadership, including founder Alex Mashinsky, misled them into believing they owned the assets. Martin Glenn, a United States bankruptcy judge, has now ruled in favor of the lender. The court concludes, based on Celsius' unambiguous terms of use and subject to any reserved defenses, that when the cryptocurrency assets were deposited in earn accounts, the cryptocurrency assets became Celsius property and the cryptocurrency assets remained in the earn accounts on the petition date became property of the debtor's bankruptcy, estimates Judge Glenn stated in his ruling. Nishad Singh, the former engineering chief of the defunct exchange FTX, met with federal prosecutors in the United States in the hopes of reaching an agreement on cooperation. He would be the third member of the FTX and SBF inner circle willing to cooperate in order to obtain possible leniency. Singh has not yet been charged with any wrongdoing, but he did meet with prosecutors in a proffer session at the United States Attorney's Office for the Southern District of New York. The meeting, however, does not guarantee a collaboration agreement. The prosecutors will evaluate the value of the information he provides and decide whether it can be used to plead him guilty and grant him leniency. Former FTX executives, including FTX co-founder Gary Wang, Alameda Research CEO Caroline Ellison, have already pleaded guilty and are cooperating with authorities. Sam Bankman-Fried, on the other hand, pleaded not guilty to the 8 criminal charges. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by volume, has added 91.57 trillion SHIB tokens across 4 wallets to its holdings. When compared to Crypto.com, KuCoin, Hobby and Bybit, data from crypto intelligence tracker Etherscan.io shows the crypto exchange platform's dominance in Shiba Inu holdings. Shiba Inu remained a favorite among Ethereum network whales, with trade volume increasing 93% in the 24-hour period between January 9 and 10. Binance, one of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange platforms, owns nearly 16% of Shiba Inu's circulating supply. According to Etherscan.io data, the circulating supply of the second largest meme coin is 589.36 trillion SHIB, of which Binance's 4 wallets hold 91.57 trillion. Binance revealed Shiba Inu's popularity among its platform traders, ranking it third among the most watched cryptocurrencies in 2022. Bitcoin and Ethereum, the 2 largest assets in the ecosystem, are the first 2 most watched cryptos. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get an update of the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
Regal Hotels Group is entering the Metaverse by acquiring a land in the Sandbox's Mega City 2 and launching Meta Green, the first green metropolis in the decentralized gaming virtual world. Meta Green's first phase will begin on January 12th with the support of early strategic partners Hang Seng Bank, UOB Hong Kong, City Supergroup and The Mills. The first phase will include a variety of eco-friendly facilities. Regal Hotels will be the city's first eco-friendly hotel. Gameplay highlights comprise Hang Seng Bank Metaverse branch, where the community can learn about ESG investments, UOB Art Space in Meta Green's Art Park, The Mills Sustainable Textile Space, and more. Despite this development, Sand was trading at $0.5192, down 1.46% in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $7 million. Gala has risen 143% in the last 24 hours and by more than 60% in 2022 following the announcement of a collaboration between Gala, Dwayne Johnson and Mark Wahlberg. Additionally, Gala token has seen a 121% increase in the past 4 days. Gala Games announced the acquisition of a mobile game studio with over 20 million users on January 6. The total revenue of the studio surpassed $100 million and several games are currently available in the App Store. Gala was trading at $0.04394, up 16.64% in the past 24 hours with a market capitalization of $3 million. Meme token SHIB was trading with a 24-hour trading volume of $210 million. The market capitalization of the coin is currently at $4.8 billion. Despite the recent losses, Shiba Inu was still up 6% for the day. One factor that has contributed to the increased valuation of Shiba Inu is the whale effect. In January 2021, a massive Shiba Inu transfer was recorded on the Ethereum blockchain. This transaction involved a movement of 3 trillion SHIB tokens worth upwards of $28.7 million at the time of transfer. A whale most likely did this transaction, and the subsequent effect of the move probably resulted in a slight dip in the price of Shiba Inu. However, SHIB was trading 1.39% down today.
Thank you, Vishakha. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV. Have a great day.